All right, check this out. ETHU, I called this 2 months ago. This is a weekly swing. Let's watch the video. I called it about 50. It's at 79.51 as crypto is on fire. Look at that, 52, making that curve.
Drift up, nothing great, and there's the candle right now, 52.82. Very oversold. When you have people,
look how oversold that is.
Extremely oversold. Stochastic starting to come up. CCI, and there's RSI now. Take a step back.
Look at this.
There's
There. I said, look at that open space above. That's all that room for a big bullish run to that line. So look at this. Here, we're at 79.51. There's plenty of room for this. So another good call. Longer term swing. Crushing it. All right. So there it is, ETHU. Big bullish call on this. So I'm going to actually circle these lines here. They're very important. Right here on this newer ETF. So you have this big move down from there. And here's a line right here. And then you actually have one right here at that split. All right, so you have a big move down here. The trend is all down from the top. You go from here all the way down. 80, you go to 240, you go all the way to 20, and now you're bouncing. So you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next move, we're trying to get into that zone where I still say 140, 160-ish, around that area. Crypto's been on fire, so you go this way in April, sideways sort of up, then you have a big explosion up, then you're chopping around, very choppy, then it went down to this hollow candle. Remember, I said a hollow candle bottom of pattern is always a good sign. Now, it did it here too, but I'm talking a true pattern down. And then look what happened. We took off, and that's where we're at. Now, very overbought. This could pull back. We'll see how this turns out because crypto now is 117K. Where are we pulling back to? Here or middle? We'll see what happens. But this is another good call from that April low, and there's plenty of room to run for this longer term on ETHU. Let's look at actually. Get back to the weekly, okay. Weekly low to high. See, when this bottomed here, March, April, you could even get in March. You're holding this longer term. Look at this. It was at 1.84 stochastics. That's when you buy extreme fear, extreme low, and now we're going back up. Weekly chart doesn't have many indicators. Actually, nothing. But you can see this move coming out sideways, and looks like it'll make a big move up. That's what I predict. Longer term. It's just now, what's it going to do from here? Are we going to pull back hard or sort of in the middle here? We'll see. But I still like 140 to 160 ETHU. Subscribe to Mike Trades. Peace.